everyone, so we are now here in Sihanoukville, which is 2 to 3 hours away from Phnom Penh via bus. So it's 5 p.m. now, so it was actually a little bit delay, but it's fine. We're now here and I'm gonna do a room tour. So this is the room. It's so cute. So they have this induction cookware. And this one as well. And then they have this refrigerator. Good thing they also have sink. Oh, here's the dishes, I believe. It's cool. And then a small cabinet here. And then this is the bedroom. It's just simple, like it's literally a small accommodation. And yeah, Sihanoukville is a coastal town in Cambodia. So unfortunately it's raining outside, so you cannot see the ocean, but the ocean is somewhere there. It's just few minutes walk away from here. And yeah, so this is called Star Bay Residences, and it's so nice. And let's go to the balcony, which is so cool. So the washing machine is outside, and I am so happy about this because, you know, we sweat a lot, so we wash clothes a lot. So finally, washing machine is a must on our accommodation. And then I guess this is a heater. So there's a table here. This is a small balcony. Well, actually, it's a pretty huge balcony. Yeah. Later on, we're gonna check the toilet or the restroom, but my boyfriend is still there and he's using it, so later on. And look at the view. Oh my god. So as you can see, there are still buildings here that they are still making. So nice, right? But it's raining, so it's a little bit annoying, but it's okay. Maybe tomorrow it's gonna be sunny. Yeah, so I actually have no idea that, you know, Cambodia also have a coastal town like this one, Sihanoukville. We just found out this province or coastal town or another city because my boyfriend watched a video or a YouTuber, and then he went to Sihanoukville, and then we were like, okay, what is that? And then when we googled Sihanoukville, oh my gosh, it's so nice. And yeah, so we are on the 33rd floor, which is amazing. My god, like, you know, I love staying in high places. I feel like I've already conquered my fear in heights. So yeah, there's a cool building here as well. I'm not sure if that's a mall or just a hotel, but this one is called Prince Mall. So yeah, so I was actually suggesting this accommodation as well, and then this one. So we just had two choices. It's either this one or the Star Bay. So Prince Mall, this is a mall, and at the same time the accommodation is right here, or the condos. And yeah, so I guess this is nice that we are literally near the mall, so we can just eat. There. And the ocean or the beach is somewhere there in that area, so it's also a walking distance. And then I hope tomorrow it's gonna be sunny. But when I was doing my pedicure and manicure, so in Phnom Penh, I was having some chit chats with the ladies doing my nails, and then yeah, they asked me how many months I'm going to stay, or how many days I'm going to stay in Cambodia, and then I shared to them that I'm planning to go to Sihanoukville, and then they told me that it's raining in Sihanoukville. And then I was like, oh my gosh, really? And you know, I hope that it's gonna, and they are right, it's raining, and I hope that it's gonna stop soon. And then, you know, just be sunny tomorrow, because I want to go to the beach, take some photos, enjoy the water, enjoy the ocean. Yeah. And yeah, it's nice. Yeah, we're loving Cambodia so far. It's a beautiful country. Like, I didn't expect it to be beautiful like this. Same when I visited Mongolia, I was like, you know, like at the top of my mind or my expectation of Mongolia, it's just gonna be like a simple country without any tall buildings or whatsoever. But when we were there, I was so amazed and shocked. Like, oh my God! Like, Mongolia is so beautiful. Like, it's a developing country. It's so nice. But of course, the beauty of Mongolia is in central Mongolia, which is, you know, like the nature. It's just so beautiful. But yeah, I am glad that this is cool. Oh, I'm seeing a milk tea. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so we're going in. We're gonna go in. So yeah, let's see the restroom or the toilet.
Exciting stuff. Have fun.
Boy, it's a small. Yeah, it's just a small. Oh, it doesn't have any lavatory. No? Oh, there is. Yeah, it's so cute. Yeah, it's just a small accommodation, unpaka accommodation. Yeah. So I guess that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media below. Once again, this is Sass, reminding you all to stay golden.